friends, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Miniature House.
Wow! Hi! Hello! Wow!
Today, I'm going to make pink Hello Kitty house with bunk bed, rainbow stairs from polymer clay. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel. The house frame is completed from cardboard and colored paper. First, I will do the kitchen. Do you like cake? Let's make an oven from clay. This is its door. Add handles. Add dashboard. Buttons and indicator lights.
Wow!
I've got a cute oven. Mix black and white clay together. Wrap it around cardboard to make a kitchen countertop. Add partitions. Be careful with your fingers. Reuse saline bottle lids and straws to make a sink. Water tap. Choose a plastic bead sample to make a water valve.
Aha!
Cold and hot. Let's fix it. Gas stove is indispensable. Let's make one from clay. So cute! I'm making rose petals. Roll them tightly together. Add flower stems. Put roses in a vase. So lovely! Fill the empty space on the table with items. The cake is gradually taking shape. Border. Strawberry is my favorite flavor. Add a little color to the edges of the cake. Yummy! Mount the kitchen cabinet on the wall. Yellow, red, blue. Hello Kitty refrigerator will be the highlight of this room. Use colored foam and Foamex to make the body. The cabinet door is shaped like a cat, made from cardboard covered with white clay. Add bow detail. Bling eyes. Nose. Beard. Done. Let's fill it. Which drink do you like? I love all. Mat. Let's make a pair of slippers for Hello Kitty.
Wow, that's wonderful.
The kitchen is completed. Next is the bedroom. Do you like bunk beds? My sister and I really enjoyed it. The bed frame will be dark pink. Stuff the cushion. And lace and strawberry ribbon. Sparkling stones. Yellow pillows will stand out quite a bit. Use a plastic knife to create patterns on the clay. Decorative borders.
Woo!
So cute. Bed on the second floor. What do you think about strawberry-shaped pillows? Very funny, right?
Hi. Hello.
Window. Ladder.
Excellent.
Pink bunk bed completed. What do you think? Hello Kitty loves strawberries, so I made the bathroom themed around that. Standing shower base. Shower head. Strawberry toilet. How do you imagine it?
Wow.
Boil up.
Wow, that's amazing.
The finished strawberry bathroom. The rainbow staircase is the highlight of the house. The living room will be the last room. TV shelf. Strawberry speaker. Cat head TV. At screen. Ears. Beard. So lovely. Simple sofa from pink clay. Let's play with beads. make a mini strawberry house for Hello Kitty. Door. Window. Create highlights. Leaf stalks and flowers. So cute!
Great!
Pink Hello Kitty house is complete. Take a close look at it. Which room do you like? Does the Hello Kitty and strawberry theme appeal to you? Please let me know your opinion below in the comments section.
Hi, best friend. Welcome to my house.